Now discuss drop down menu or drop down list. Uh, why we need this list? Sometimes we have many items or many options, but the options are too much sometimes. So, and we feel that we cannot write all the options on one page in front. Sometimes it also look very awkward, and sometimes it's difficult to manage. So we go to drop down list, and whenever we need some item from that list, so we go to that list and then we select. So it's important. And now start how to create the list, drop down list. So we will write the label. So label in this list is normally before the input type. So label select book. So we take the same example we covered in radio button and check list. And so we will write select. So select is used, and select name. Name is, we write here book, and then we use id for as an identifier, and we'll attach it with the label. We'll mention in the label. So we write same identifier. So, and we write here label for uh, book. Understood? So if we save it and we refresh, so you can see choose your book, select book. So what is select book? Select book is the label, but there is no item in the list. List is created. So using select, you create a list. Now we will take different options. Option, option, option. The first option is uh, option value. We will use the value. Which value to be passed to the drop down list? For example, magazine, and we write magazine, and we will copy. We write poetry and poetry. We will also write novel and, so if you come and refresh, so you can see different options here. So if we don't use the value, for example, this one, so you can see this poetry, this is novel, this is magazine. So still it works. So you can erase this option. So in option, these three will be displayed. So if you press this, so it comes to here. Why? Because we have mentioned the ID inside the label. So we need one label and one select and many options. So this is very simple. Select and you mention ID. If you don't mention the ID here, so still you can make the list. For example, still it works, but when we press here, it cursor will not come here. So we need three things. Basic two things: select and then different options. So for option, we must have one opening and one closing tag. One opening, one closing tag, and this is inside the form. But and we also have to write the label opening and closing, but we don't need to write the closing for the select. But writing this select is necessary. If we delete it from here, so this means list is no more. So for list creation, we must have to mention the select and different options. So we need select and options. So this was all about the HTML drop down list. Laterally, when we design some more good forms, so different action can be performed. So either we can search the magazine history, either we can order this magazine. So it depend on the action events which will be created uh, against each button which will be used here. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so